Alright, been waiting on this, the old Cajun2step to make the fire chicken. Good old, saw it on Stalekracker's video. We've made it before. It was pretty good, but it wasn't what we wanted because we didn't have the two-step, especially when it's signed. Alright. Some of the Worcestershire W sauce in. Got the Louisiana Pepper Exchange, cayenne. Louisiana Pepper Exchange, orange habanero. Ooh. We're gonna hit it with the most important, the signed two-step. It says you can't use too much. I'm not gonna go that crazy. All right, now mix it all together and wait 1 hour. All right, man, it's been an hour. Looks good, smells good. Now we're gonna get this chicken on the grill. Gotta hit it with some more two-step. All right, we got the fire chicken right here.